Okay, now I'm here in the official website of Zephyr Project, and I will show you how to install the dependencies and everything required for Ubuntu. I think we should work in the long-term version, so if you go here, you click in the 2.76. Probably when you watch this video, the long-term version will be another different, but don't worry because everything should be so similar. If you go to Getting Started Guide, it's very well explained here, so you just need to follow the steps. You can see here you can install for Ubuntu, Mac or Windows. Okay, I already have everything installed, so I won't install everything, but I will try to explain you. You need these versions, at least these versions of CMake, Python and Device Tree compiler. So you need to install this first, enter in the links and try to install it, and start following the steps. And at the end, check also your versions are the correct ones. Okay, in my case, CMake is correct, Python is correct, and Device Tree is correct also. Okay, next one. I already have installed this, but you just need to do this as I already told you. And then we enter here. So first of all, I will install my virtual environment. I want you to see my folder at the same time, so you can have clear what we are doing. You can see here that I'm in the folder where I want to put my project. So we install the virtual environment. I have to change the folder because I will work here. So you can see here that is being created, and I will have to active. Active is so easy. Activate this is so easy, and you can see that this is active because you can see the virtual environment work here. If you will want to deactivate, so easy. Okay, active. Okay, keep going with the installation. We install WES. This takes some minutes, so I will stop the video. Okay, was faster than I expected. So okay, yes, it's fast because we just installed the WES tool. This is what takes more time, and we init here the WES. Now I stop the video. You can see here that this is already finished, and we install the meta tool WES that is used for building the project, for running the project and other things, and the Zephyr repository with its libraries and everything that we require. We told that we will work with the version 2.7.6 because it's the long term in the moment that we are doing this video. If the version changes when you watch this video, just change the version. So we go to cd repo, the folder that we have the Zephyr, and we check out the version, in this case the 2.7.6. If you have another, just choose another. Okay, we are already working in the version, the long-term version. Next thing, we enter and we do the best update, the WES update. So here, where in the folder that we have the WES, we do the WES update. And I want you to see the difference that what we are going to add. I stop the video because this takes some minutes. Okay, we already finished this, and you can see the modules that were downloaded: bootloader, module, tools. So things that are required for make working the Zephyr operation system also. So keep going on. Now with Zephyr Sport, and Python dependencies. Okay, now I already have this installed, but you should install in the root the SDK. You can see that for the 2.7.6 the SDK is this version. If you work with another version, the SDK version changes also, so take care. You install this and this, the UDEF that I already have, and now if you did everything correct, it's time to check if you did everything correct exactly. So we enter in the folder Zephyr, and we need to and we are going to build a sample that has Zephyr, a sample that the only thing that does is blink a LED. I didn't copy this correct. And here we will start just putting a sample board that Zephyr has a lot of them, but just for trying we will try with this one. I think it's called like this, if I'm not wrong. Just in case you didn't have time to see the command that I use, this is the board that I use. It's a Nordic one, and you can use another. So here we can see that everything is correct because we got to compile to build the project correctly. Check the memory, it's so small. Okay, it's true that the example that we use is a really basic example, but with this process we assure that the Zephyr tools are correctly installed. So until we see in the next video what we did, and we can talk more or less and focus with being more specific in the code. Bye.